Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel.
So these are the paints that I'm going to be using today. All of them have a medium already, and they're from Mont or Marte, and I'm using a new formula for medium today, like 70%, like 30% water, 70% glue. So all of these have medium, so I'm just going to show you here in the yellow how I did it. Is 1 part paint, 1 part medium. And you see, if it's too thick, then just add a little bit more water. That's no problem. And now I'm going to use this acrylic pour silicone that I'm going to put the link below. For those of you who could get it, that would be wonderful. You will love it. Now here my camera wasn't recording when I did the pour, but here's what it is. That's what the silicone does. And it's a very thick mix. So I'm using my white paint that I had in the bottle, that I had a little bit left. And I just added medium to it. And this is going to help me tilt and stretch the paint a little bit more. Like I said, it's a very thick mixture, so it's very important to stretch it really well. One of the things is that when you are, as you test this formula, if you see the cells forming like really big at the beginning when you lift up the cup, the paint is too runny, is too thin. And so it is better that the cells are small and then torch them, and then they start growing like this as you start tilting the canvas, because then they can just stay like that and develop as the tilting process takes place. Now, if it doesn't, and if you see lumps in the paint when you do the viscosity test, then it's too thick. So I will, as I keep practicing with this technique, I will show you the viscosity. But right now I just wanted to test it because I was never a fan of glue, to be honest, and then never had good results until now. And then on top of that, thick paints had never worked, thick formulas had never worked for me before. And so I'm just, like you can see here, is a new process for me, but I'm loving it. And so of course I'm sharing it with you guys. For at last, after 2 years of trying to find a formula that doesn't require floetrol, it's finally here. And I'm definitely loving it. And I hope you guys can have the same results after, one or few tries on your own. It's beautiful. As I continue working on these corners, if this video has inspired you or helped you in any way, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell for upcoming videos. Now, this is what I used for varnishing, and now it's all dry. And as you can see, those cells look beautiful. It was inspired by this tunic of mine. It's a fashion inspired art, and they're natural colors. Let's take this tunic away and then show you how beautiful those cells dried. And as you can see, there is no cracking. It's just beautiful, beautiful. So like I said, one important aspect is to tilt it really well, because otherwise you're gonna end up like this. It's beautiful colors but all cracked up. So just so you know.
So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.